Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
Start with the basics you need: a charged Apple Watch and, if possible, the paired iPhone nearby. You open settings on the watch. Once done, go to General and then Date and Time so you start in the right menu. If you prefer the iPhone, open the watch app and mirror the same path. You do this because the watch can mirror iPhone settings or be set independently, and beginning here prevents conflicts later. Next, decide how to source your clock. Keep set automatically enabled to follow network time, or disable it to set a manual offset. If you turn it off, tap the displayed time and use the digital crown to spin to the exact hour and minute you want. You can also apply a minute offset. Use 0 to 59 minutes to make your watch run ahead or behind for personal preference. Make sure to confirm the change so the system stores your selection. Finish by confirming the new setting and returning to the watch face to visually verify the time change. You should see it immediately. If the watch is mirroring the iPhone, make sure the iPhone's date and time settings reflect your choice because the watch will follow. If the time fails to update or reverts, restart your Apple Watch and iPhone first. This often clears sync glitches. If problems persist, unpair and repair as a last resort to reset the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.